Hello YouTube and welcome to a new collectible unboxing. This one doesn't seem to have any thing on top, so it's just the slip out. So this one here is the Captain Marvel collectible from the Infinity Saga. Let's see what it is. This is a prop replica with a certificate of authenticity. Document certifies the badge as an authentic SHIELD item, as seen in the Marvel movie Captain Marvel. Official licensed Marvel piece of jewelry, manufactured. There's the box. On one side, it does share the SHIELD crest, and this little identification badge here, with Nicholas Joseph Fury. So this is just a prop replica, not meant to be used in real life. The shield seems to be like, yeah, it's in there. Can't take it out. It looks good. Let's see the code. Is that the proper code? Yeah, it is. It's a proper shield code with the Marvel licensing on the back. So it's a really cool prop to have. And the shield crest at the front as well. Really like it. If you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe, as will help this channel grow. And we'll be posting more videos of collectible unboxings as well as tech unboxings and video game playthroughs on my channel. Thank you for watching.